Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craftery. Today we are talking about free digitals and how to get them. So first off, creative collections of free digital and printables. Now I'm sure a lot of you probably already know about this, but I just wanted to show some stuff that I have done for this new group. Kim Newberg approached me about doing this group for just free digitals. Just her and I posting our freebies, and I thought it was a great idea. So there is going to be links below. Now to get these free digitals, I would suggest joining the group. You don't have to join the group, but I suggest because then you know when we post something. We both have been trying to post every day. Yeah, not every day because, some days we have life happens and, we can't always even get online. But these are some of the freebies that I have posted since we started this group. Now it's been a little over a month, I guess, since we started this group. Now, some people have asked, why am I not putting these on my coffee anymore? Because my coffee shop was getting full. And I needed other options. I still do post some freebies there, so follow me there because you never know what's going to happen when I post stuff there. But here's some great fairy circles that I did. I love these bee ones. Absolutely love these with the wildflowers and stuff. And some bookmarks, some butterfly bookmarks. Or you could use them as pockets, and they don't take much to dress them up. You can use them just the way they are. I would just cut them out and ink the edge and I'd be good to go, but you can decorate them up. Here's some tropical flowers. And then the same type of flowers, but in these squares. I love these squares for hidden paper clips. I've got a couple ideas for some of these freebies, and yeah, and I'll for sure do tutorials on them. Beautiful bird cards. Love these as well. Love these roses. I love roses. And these are kind of like a rainbow color. But as I say, to get these, you have to go on the Facebook group and click onto our blogs. That's where we are hosting these. Some people ask, why don't we just put them on Facebook? I find that Facebook degrades your files. So I don't think you get as good of a file when you download a JPEG from Facebook. And honestly, sometimes on Facebook, it can be a pain in the butt to post stuff. I don't know how many times I've posted things and had to do it again because it didn't work out. The blog is so easy to use. When you go to the blog, click on the little picture. It'll bring up a bigger picture of the JPEG. Then you right click and you save as. Now that's how you do it on a computer. On your phone, nah. I don't use my phone for stuff like that, so honestly, I don't know how you will do it. But if you have problems, message me. I'd be glad to help if I can. I'm not tech support. I don't always know what I'm doing. Love the kitties. They are so cute. Love them. And in the group, purple's my favorite color. In the group, it's just Kim and I's posts. So you don't get flooded with posts and you don't get flooded to try and find them. All you got to do is scroll through all the freebies we've posted. Or just go to our blogs and take a peek because most of them are there. And I'm working on putting some older ones up on my blog as well. Some tags, like these ones as well, just like a journal card with some wildflowers. Love those as well. Some cutout angels. And this is only what I've posted. Kim has also posted a ton. And it started off, we'd each post one freebie a day. Yeah, like that happen, Kim gets carried away, and next thing you know, she's posting 6, 8, 10, 20. I've posted a few times, more than one. Love these seahorses. Love, love, love. Love the colors. But as I say, I've got some ideas on some of these. Again, some rainbow squares. Love them for hidden paper clips. And you can put them on both sides. Maybe I'll do another tutorial on how I do the paper clips with these. So you'd end up with the picture on both sides. You could easily just use this as a decor, like a background, and put some flowers on it, or, you know, some bird or whatever. So, like these as well. Well, let's face it, I like most of the stuff I make. Some lined papers. They're not, like, some aren't perfectly lined, but I think that gives it a little bit of character. But we always need lined journal cards. Some thistle bookmarks, like these. And they each have a number and a little bit of a name. The number, I started numbering them when I put them on coffee. And like I say, my coffee shop is just getting so full that the blog just seemed like a good idea. So I would suggest it. Follow me both places. Some vintage suitcases, great for steampunk, etc. I got an idea for these as well. Musical cards, just beautiful tea card type size. I like those. Some more beautiful roses. Can never go wrong with flowers. And of course this one, gotta love it. It's purple. Always gotta love the purple. But yes, check out the links in the description. I'll leave a link to Kim's blog as well as her YouTube channel. There'll be a link to the group to join. And there's also other links, such as to my shops, to my personal, not personal group, but Caroline's Craft Tree Facebook group. Beautiful swimwear from many years gone by. These little ones here would be great for paper clips as well. These are kind of a little bit bigger than an ATC card. But that's just some of the digitals that I have there. I do have more posted on the blog. So just go over to the blog and start clicking away. Please come by Facebook, join the group, like and share this video so that others can find it, but also so that others can find the group so that they can get free digitals. I know some groups, because so much stuff gets posted, everything just kind of gets lost in the feed of that group. With this group only having Kim and I posting, the posts don't get lost. And any given day that we post something, you click on that, and then on our blogs you've got the home button, which you can just click that, and then that takes you to the main page, and you can just scroll from there to see what we have to offer. And we try to organize it too to make them easy for you to find, easy to download. As I say in the blog, remember to click the small picture to bring up the bigger picture of what you want to download, and then save it from there. Other words, you're downloading just a tiny little picture, and then it just doesn't work for printing. You need to click it and then right click on the big picture to get the better copy of the digital that you want to download. Hope to see you all in the group, and hope to see you, well, I can't really see you over on the blog, but hope you have fun going and downloading some of this stuff or all of it. It's all free. It's all there. Yeah, and visit. There's links on my blog to my shops, etc. If there's kits that you want to buy, whatnot. And I hope you will subscribe. I appreciate everybody, and have fun with all these free digitals. We'll see you soon. Bye.